What up, guys? I'm back with another video. Spray my face with the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. It's new, so you gotta. So I'm gonna start with my face today, only because I don't know what I'm doing with my eyes yet, and I don't want to just, you know, be all over the place. So I'm gonna start with my eyes. And you guys already know I've been loving Miss Maybelline Super Stay, so I'm going to go in with her, and we're just gonna do maybe that much because you don't really need a lot. I'm going to take my buffing brush, and find that when I use this foundation, I really have to let it like set in place, because if not, I'm gonna look really dark. So by set in place, yes, I do mean oxidize. Actually, take this Wet n Wild palette. I got this from Walgreens, and I'm gonna take this transition shade right here. Oh, that was a lot of fallout. So how's everybody been? OMG. So how's everybody been? As you guys know, we're about to, well, where I live at, we're about to get another snowstorm, and I'm so irritated because I hate snow so much. Like, I really hate snow. So I'm just gonna go back into this palette, and I'm gonna take this brown color, and we're gonna, okay, she's pigmented, and I'm gonna just put this on my outer V with this BH Cosmetics brush, and we're just gonna take our transition brush and blend that out, fluff it out rather. Now with that same brush, I'm gonna take this burnt orange color and put that right above that brown color, right in my crease area rather. You guys already know what palette I'm dipping into. I'm dipping into this one. I'm gonna take this olive green color. It's under the color Capricorn. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna blend that closely into that brown color. Not all the way, just a little bit. And this color is really freaking pigmented, so I'm gonna actually start, and I'm just gonna take this color right here on this foundation brush and just go ahead and cut my crease, girl, halfway. I'm still learning how to cut a crease, so I am not a perfection. I'm not perfect at it. I just know how to do it for me. I mean, I've done it on like my friends, and I'm still perfecting it. I'm so silly. I'm going in with this color right here, and I'm actually just going to pat that everywhere the yellow is. So let's just You guys, this stuff is so pigmented. Oh my god. So that yellow was our base, basically. So that's how I'm gonna do that. So just sit tight and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I did my eyeliner and my lashes off camera because you know that is a struggle. So today, the concealer we're gonna use is the new Instant Age Rewind. This is in the color Hazelnut. You guys know they came out with darker shades for the deeper skin tones. Okay, so you guys know I used to always, I had this before and it wasn't my shade. Now I watched Jackie Ina's video and a lot of them were saying that it was giving like this cooling feel, and I do feel it as it's like setting into my foundation. It's not an uncomfortable feel, no, but I do feel it. I do feel it. But it blends out perfectly. It blends out perfectly with the Maybelline Superstay foundation, which is great. Contour palette, whatever, and I'm going to use that yellow, that banana shade, to set up under my eyes. Ow. And let's just make sure everything is just put together. Cosmetics brush and the Wet n Wild powder and cocoa, and I'm just gonna set my face now. And my lips, and then we're gonna highlight. I think I'm gonna go in with this new highlighter I got by Wet n Wild. So I'm just gonna take some like this, tap off the excess. I didn't want nothing too, you know, like too popping, because our eyes are like popping enough. So this is enough for me. The lip I'm going to use today is the Vivid Hot by Maybelline Liqueur. This is in the color Unreal, and it looks like this. And it's really just face. Let's undo the hair. I just did a side pony today, so I'm actually going to take out my flexi rods first. I'm leaning on my shirt, y'all. It's crap everywhere. And as you can see, I took a wand and I just I actually just curled it. I'm actually just going to tease it up a little bit just so it can look like. Set my makeup on. I'm going to take this Pixie spray, and I'm really scared to like use it. Spray it all over, And yeah, you guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did enjoy making it for you. I'm kind of just going to start doing these videos where I just get on the camera and you know, just go with the flow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. We're on the road to 250 subscribers, so if you guys could please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and you know, share it with all of your friends and cousins and grandmoms and grandfathers and all of that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.